This is the Mamaroneck Harbor Island, and today's the 4th of July, and I see a boat lighting up right over there because that's a police boat right over there. I see a lot of boats right here on this, there's a lot of boats here, right there. That's the light line, I think. Oh no, that's just the water. That's has a slash to like a light thing. That the light is, well, the light is looking at the water like it's coming to a line, and also there's a light too that on that part side, that's like probably Harrison or Rhineck or whatever that is. And right here I can see the carnival, and I kind of hear the fireworks. So, yeah. Wow. Oh, there's more boats over there too.